Hello my little friends, how are you all doing? In this video we're going to learn all about 30 different kinds of snakes. We'll find out their names, what they look like, where they live, what they eat, and if they're venomous. Make sure to watch the whole video, you'll get lots of fun facts. Snake. Imagine a creature that slithers on the ground without any legs. That's a snake. They might look a little strange, but snakes are super cool and an important part of our world. Think of them as long, scaly tubes of muscle. They can be found in all sorts of places, from deserts and forests to even our own backyards. Most of the snakes you'll see are harmless, but some, like cobras or rattlesnakes, have venom. This venom is like a special chemical they use to catch their food or to protect themselves. 1. Rat snake. Rat snakes are like nature's helpers. They eat mice and rats, keeping farms and homes safe. These snakes are not poisonous and are usually gentle. Rat snakes are good climbers and can grow quite long. They come in different colors to blend in with their surroundings. During the day, they use their good sense of smell to find food like mice, birds, and lizards. Rat snakes live all over North America in places like forests and fields. 2. Cobra. Cobras are famous for their hood. When they feel scared, they spread out their neck to look big and scary. But be careful, cobras are very poisonous. They eat mice, birds, and other snakes. Cobras like warm places and live in grasslands and forests in Africa and Asia. They hunt at night, using special sensors to find food in the dark. Cobras are important for their environment, but they can be dangerous to people. 3. Krates are snakes that come out at night in South Asia. They are very poisonous. Krates eat other snakes, mice, and lizards. They are usually calm, but they can bite if they feel threatened. Krates have black and white stripes, so they are easy to spot. They live in forests and farms, and are most active when it rains a lot. Krates are dangerous to people, so it's best to stay away from them. 4. Sand boa. Sand boas are non-venomous snakes that live in hot, dry places. They spend most of their time underground. Sand boas have a funny look because their head and tail look alike. They eat mice, lizards, and small birds. Sand boas are gentle and don't bite much. They are good at living in the desert and can handle hot weather. Sand boas help their environment by eating mice and being food for bigger animals. 5. Water snake. Water snakes live in North America and love being near water. They are excellent swimmers and eat fish and frogs. Water snakes are harmless to people, but might bite if they feel scared. They like to bask in the sun during the day. Water snakes help keep the balance in ponds and lakes by controlling the number of fish and frogs. 6. Python. Pythons are big snakes that live in warm places like Africa and Asia. They are not poisonous. Pythons wrap around their prey and squeeze them. They eat mice, birds, and even deer. Pythons like to live near water and in thick forests. They hunt at night, using heat sensors to find food in the dark. Pythons are strong, but usually don't bother people unless they feel threatened. 7. Tree snake. Tree snakes are skinny snakes that love living in trees. They eat lizards, frogs, and birds. Tree snakes are harmless to people and rarely bite. They are active during the day and use their camouflage to sneak up on prey. Tree snakes help control the number of small animals in their environment. They live in places like rainforests and forests. 8. Vine snake. Vine snakes look like green vines and live in Africa and Asia. They eat lizards, frogs, and bugs. Vine snakes are gentle and don't bite much. They are active during the day and use their camouflage to hide and catch food. Vine snakes help control the number of small animals in their environment. They live in places like rainforests and grasslands. 9. Cat snake. Cat snakes have big eyes like cats, which help them see at night. They eat lizards, frogs, and mice. Cat snakes are gentle and don't bite much. They hunt at night and are good at finding prey. Cat snakes help control the number of small animals in their environment. They live in forests and deserts. 10. Flying snake. Flying snakes live in Southeast Asia and can glide through the air. They eat lizards, frogs, and mice. Flying snakes are gentle and don't bite much. They are active during the day and use their gliding skills to escape danger and catch food. Flying snakes help control the number of small animals in their environment. They live in rainforests and forests. 11. Wolf snake. Wolf snakes aren't actually related to wolves, but they do have long pointed teeth. These non-venomous snakes are great climbers and can even scale walls. They eat lizards, frogs, and small mammals. Wolf snakes are usually brown or grey and blend in well with their surroundings. They're active at night and help control the populations of small animals in their ecosystems. 12. Blind snake. Blind snakes are tiny and spend most of their lives underground. They're so small that they're often mistaken for earthworms. These non-venomous snakes eat ants, termites, and other small insects. Blind snakes have tiny eyes that are covered by scales, which is why they're called blind. They're harmless to humans and play a role in soil health. 13. Keelback. Keelbacks are named for the raised ridges on their scales, called keels. These non-venomous snakes live near water and eat frogs, fish, and other aquatic creatures. Keelbacks come in various colors and patterns, often with stripes or spots. They are active during the day and help keep aquatic ecosystems in balance. Some keelbacks have a mild venom, but it's not dangerous to humans. 14. Bronze-backed tree snake. Bronze-backed tree snakes are beautiful snakes with a shiny bronze-colored back. These non-venomous snakes live in trees and eat lizards, frogs, and small birds. They are slender and agile, perfectly adapted for life in the canopy. Bronze-backed tree snakes are active during the day and use their excellent camouflage to ambush prey. They are harmless to humans and play a role in controlling populations of small animals in their ecosystems. 15. Checkered keelback. Checkered keelbacks are named for their distinctive checkerboard pattern. These non-venomous snakes live near water and eat fish, frogs, and other aquatic creatures. They are excellent swimmers and can often be seen basking on rocks or logs near water. Checkered keelbacks are active during the day and help keep aquatic ecosystems in balance. They are harmless to humans and play a role in controlling populations of fish and amphibians. 16. Kukri snake. Kukri snakes are named for their curved teeth, which resemble the kukri knife used in Nepal. These non-venomous snakes eat lizards, frogs, and small mammals. Kukri snakes are usually brown or grey and blend in well with their surroundings. They are active at night and help control the populations of small animals in their ecosystems. Kukri snakes are harmless to humans and play a role in their ecosystems. 17. Egg-eater snake. Egg-eater snakes have a unique diet. They only eat bird eggs. These non-venomous snakes have special adaptations that allow them to swallow eggs whole. Egg-eater snakes are usually brown or grey and blend in well with their surroundings. They are active at night and help control bird populations. Egg-eater snakes are harmless to humans and play a role in their ecosystems. 18. Green snake. Green snakes are slender, bright green snakes that blend in perfectly with leaves and vegetation. These non-venomous snakes eat insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates. Green snakes are active during the day and use their excellent camouflage to ambush prey. They are harmless to humans and play a role in controlling insect populations. Green snakes are found in various habitats, from forests to grasslands. 19. Glossy snake. Glossy snakes are named for their smooth, shiny scales. These non-venomous snakes eat lizards, snakes, and small mammals. Glossy snakes are usually brown or grey and blend in well with their surroundings. They are active at night and help control the populations of small animals in their ecosystems. Glossy snakes are harmless to humans and play a role in their ecosystems. 20. Earth boa. Earth boas are small, non-venomous snakes that live underground. They eat insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates. Earth boas are usually brown or grey and blend in well with their surroundings. They are active at night and help control the populations of small animals in their ecosystems. Earth boas are harmless to humans and play a role in soil health. 21. Indian rock python. These massive snakes are non-venomous constrictors, meaning they squeeze their prey instead of using venom. They can grow over 20 feet long and eat deer, wild boars, and even monkeys. Indian rock pythons live in forests and grasslands and are active at night. They are not aggressive towards humans but should be respected due to their size and strength. 22. Olive keelback. These snakes are named for their olive green color and the keels or ridges on their scales. They are non-venomous and live near water, eating fish, frogs, and other aquatic creatures. Olive keelbacks are active during the day and are excellent swimmers. They are harmless to humans and play an important role in keeping aquatic ecosystems healthy. 23. Oriental vine snake. These slender, bright green snakes look just like vines, which helps them blend in perfectly with their surroundings. They're mildly venomous, but their venom isn't dangerous to humans. Oriental vine snakes eat lizards, frogs, and small birds. They're active during the day and use their camouflage to sneak up on prey. 24. Russell's viper. These highly venomous snakes are found in Asia and are responsible for many snakebite deaths. They have a distinctive pattern of dark spots and a triangular head. Russell's vipers eat rodents, birds, and lizards. They are active at night and can be aggressive if threatened. It's important to seek immediate medical attention if bitten by a Russell's viper. 25. Saw-scaled viper. These small but highly venomous snakes are found in Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. They get their name from the saw-like ridges on their scales, which they rub together to make a hissing sound. Saw-scaled vipers eat rodents, lizards, and insects. They're active at night and can be aggressive if threatened. 26. Spectacled cobra. These iconic snakes are famous for the spectacle pattern on their hood. They're highly venomous and can deliver a deadly bite. Spectacled cobras eat rodents, birds, and other snakes. They live in grasslands and forests and are active during the day. Spectacled cobras are revered in some cultures but are also a significant threat to humans. 27. Spotted wolf snake. These non-venomous snakes are named for their wolf-like appearance with long pointed teeth. They eat lizards, frogs, and small mammals. Spotted wolf snakes are usually brown or gray with dark spots and are active at night. They are harmless to humans and help control populations of small animals in their ecosystems. 28. Triangle keelback. These snakes are named for their triangular-shaped head and the keels on their scales. They are non-venomous and live near water, eating fish, frogs, and other aquatic creatures. Triangle keelbacks are active during the day and are excellent swimmers. They are harmless to humans and play an important role in keeping aquatic ecosystems healthy. 29. White-bellied rat snake. These non-venomous snakes are named for their pale belly and are excellent climbers. They eat rodents, birds, and lizards. White-bellied rat snakes are active during the day and are found in various habitats, including forests and grasslands. They are harmless to humans and help control rodent populations. 30. Yellow-spotted wolf snake. These non-venomous snakes are named for their yellowish spots and wolf-like appearance. They eat lizards, frogs, and small mammals. Yellow-spotted wolf snakes are active at night and are harmless to humans. They play a role in controlling populations of small animals in their ecosystems.